Hello, you weirdos. This is 777 Awakening News with our Red Pill newsletter coming to you live with the Awakening News. Now, first off, praise God for what He is doing. Our series of our newsletter, our Red Pill newsletter, the gospel according to the first creator is complete. Now, that series covered declaring your status as a free man with an affidavit of status, and also new covenant. These was only very brief newsletters, and it will be following the premiering the video series coming in November. I will also start doing a more literature speech on the videos to cover more grounds or information for people who are truth seekers. Also, in 777 Awakening News, coming in October, our series on, of course, our ministry, the Christ in You ministry series, coming 1 year series from October to October, premiering October the 22nd. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel to catch all the action. You may get Red Pill newsletters right here on Facebook, but you want to be notified when them videos come out covering the information that I will be posting straight from the newsletters, then you can catch that. I will also occasionally post a video to YouTube or Facebook, at a later time. So besides that, my brothers and sisters, Red Pill Awakening News, and this is your host to me, and I am signing out with the good news of today being spread the gospel of Jesus Christ is the only work that you is reliable for, not that any man may call you, but the Spirit of Christ called you to speak and to spread the good work and the good news of the death, burial, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. See, I'm tired of people trying to tell me that I've been called through some type of ministry, but I've only been called through the Christ in You ministry, through Christ Himself, and I have to answer to no man. And people hate hearing the truth, so of course you don't want to see my videos and you don't want to read my newsletter. Of course, if you don't want to hear the truth, declare your status as a free person. I am a free human being. I am not drugged by the spirit of alcohol and drugs and lies and death and hatefulness and slanderness. But I am no better than nobody else. So find somebody else to play with, please, because I am a man of God and I am a tender person, but don't think I'm too soft, because this job is not made for someone that is too soft. So with that being said, praise God will not cover no hateful people on my messages. I will squash it right here. Yes, it does. It gets on everybody's nerves to how hateful people, but it's okay. I could cover more grounds of information of the gospel if I don't cover those haters in my videos. So you want the premieres of with the video and also the Red Pill newsletter, then you need to subscribe at my YouTube channel, 777 Awakening News. And I'm out for real this time. What?